Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can redeem or use your Indigo gift card online. In order to do so, first thing, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then open up any web browser of your choice. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome, and as you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the link that is www.chapter.indigo.ce. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So then this is the official site of the Indigo page, and then make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, then you need to create one, and after you create your account, what you need to do is you need to select the item. So basically how you can use your gift card is that you can use it as a payment method while checking out. So for that, what you need to do is select a product that you want to purchase. So for example, I'm just gonna go with this particular product that I want to buy, and after that you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to see the info regarding the product. So then go through all of these information such as quality, size and whatever, and then click on add to cart. In case you want to continue shopping, then click on continue shopping and you can add it to your cart, or if you're done shopping, then click on view cart. Once you do this, you'll be taken to the checkout process. So then what you need to do is you need to provide in your shipping address, your billing address and all of these information. So after done providing all of these information, click on proceed to checkout, which is in the right hand side corner. On the other interface, you'll be asked to enter in your payment method. For that, what you need to do is you need to enter the gift card number that will be located on your card, and as soon as you do that, you need to click on checkout, and then you've successfully redeemed your gift card online. In this way, you can redeem your Indigo gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.